Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we have a coffee request from Susan. Thank you, Susan, for the coffee. Thank you for the support. Susan says, this is a duo. They are from Estonia. Shout out to Estonia if you're watching. And they are called Duo Ruut. Double root? What does duo Ruut mean? Let me know in the comments. Their names are Kata and Ann-Lisette. I personally know one of them, really, Ann-Lisette. I got to meet her in the Ethno Sweden. That's pretty dope. They do their own music. This song is called Nightingale. Okay, guys, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's check out Duo Ruut. I don't know what that means, but let me know. Let's pull it up over here. Ooh, it's an interesting instrument.
I was walking one morning in May. I met a young couple who fondled each stray.
This is folk.
One was a young maid, so sweet and so fair, and the other was a soldier and a brave grenadier. From out of his knapsack he took a fine fiddle, and he played her such merry tunes that you ever did.
Now, why does this sound Irish?
Merry tunes that the valleys did ring, and they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in
arm. Oh, this is such a nice. Wait a second. Storytelling. It's very nice storytelling. Wait. I like this part. It's like scatting. And where are they?
And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm along the road till they came to a stream. And they both sat down together to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so sweet and comforting as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm along the road like sister and brother.
Yeah, I'd like to know too.
Till they came to a stream. And they both sat down together.
The eye contact, I'm not gonna lie, is intense here. As an introvert, I could never. Nice. That is the only lyrics I can learn from this. That is really nice, actually, guys. It's gonna repeat now. But let's listen to it again. Not the whole thing, just a little bit of it. That's pretty dope. Pretty nice. Susan, would you tell them they are pretty talented for me? That's really, really cool. I like this. It's unique, and it feels like you know, like they're scatting. Like when they like when you do drums with your vocals, It sounds what they're doing. That's exactly what they're doing. They're doing the sound of the drum there, but the acoustic. It looks like a dulcimer string instrument. Is that an Estonian instrument or no? That's pretty dope, guys. I like this. And where they filmed looks like a very interesting place. If you see it, it definitely is a place where people go to skate. Definitely. If you saw the overhead, people will definitely go there to skate. 100% without a doubt. 100% without a doubt, people will go to skate there. Look at that. 100% skaters. I don't know if it's allowed, but I'm 100% sure. But anyways, looks like a very interesting place that they're in, and nice music too. I like it. Let me know the name of the instrument in the comments down below, guys. If you want to request a video or watch full movie reactions, series, shows, and other stuff, go over to Patreon or to Buy Me Coffee. Link is in the pinned comments. And I'll see you guys soon. Click over here for more videos. Bye-bye.